English grammar nouns quiz on countable and uncountable nouns. In this quiz, we need to identify whether the given noun is uncountable or uncountable. Okay, let's go. We don't have much water. In this, water is an uncountable noun. She is picking some flowers. In this, flowers is a countable noun. We have 50 balloons to blow up. In this, balloons is a countable noun. Next question, I like coffee. In this, coffee is an uncountable noun. We need oxygen to live. In this, oxygen is an uncountable noun. He has many books. In this, books is a countable noun. We need a few chairs. In this, chairs is a countable noun. I would like some tea. In this, tea is an uncountable noun. Next, I need flour. In this, flour is an uncountable noun. The child needs a fork. In this, fork is a countable noun. I don't eat meat. In this, meat is an uncountable noun. She has two cameras. In this, cameras is a countable noun. I hope you enjoyed, and next, let's see possessive nouns in the next lesson. Thank you.